Leave me alone! She's my wife. I will destroy your family!
Tell me the truth.
You're safe with me.
No, no, please, leave me alone!
We stayed awake all night talking.
For the last 2 years.
Sobri Tanteri Strishte Plashing Day.
Soani, who is afflicted, it's a sister, is afflicted. How old is she? She's no older than 20 to 22 years old. Something happened. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning, and his daughter came out and said, and she was upstairs, and she was saying, no, leave me alone. And she had her hands out. She got pulled down the stairs by her hair, and something was trying to take her outside of the house. Something was trying to pull her and take her away. So I went down, and it was quite late, and I walked in, and the sister was asleep, or seemingly asleep, on the couch. So she was lying down on the couch. So I began to address the jinn directly in English. It blew up. She was having a huge reaction. And the jinn now the jinn is speaking in a man's voice. And he is telling us, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take your daughter away. And he said, she's my wife, I'm married to her, leave us alone. We got married, she belongs to me, I'm going to destroy your family, you're this, you're that. And it was extremely abusive. Okay, then we got to a stage, alhamdulillah. She began to remember certain things about what was going on. So I went down one time, and I said, look, be straight with me, tell me what you've seen. And she told me that this started 2 years ago. She was on her phone in her bedroom, and it was late at night, and she was on her phone. She put the phone down, and then she heard somebody call her by her name. He was an old man. He had no feet, so he would appear to her. He got close to her in terms of he became her friend. She liked him. So the sister used to like this type of thing. He takes me back to my school days, my nursery days. He takes me far away places, and we have good fun, and I like that. And so this is how the jinn became close to her. But then, subhanallah, when it came to the crunch, now you need to come with me, and you're going to be my wife, and I'm going to take you all of these places. I spoke to the father, and he said, you know, the following morning, he said, we stayed awake all night long. We stayed awake all night long talking to her, and she was telling her what happened, she says, and she tells us that the jinn would appear to her in the form of a young man. He was the form of a young man, but he is extremely big, maybe 25 to 30 years old, and he comes to it in the form of a man, and he's extremely strong. He takes over me, she says, he takes over me, and he does such and such with me, all of these disgusting, despicable acts. Are we now? What's happened after that? It pains me to say, but it seems like this jinn raped this sister. It seems like this jinn raped his sister. She feels as though she has been raped by this Sean. Now the sister is back. She says, Dad, I promise you, for the last 2 years, I don't know where my life has gone. I don't know what's happened for the last 2 years. I can't remember anything for this period of 2 years. It's like I've been asleep for 2 years. So the jinn has now left with the permission of Allah. The jinn has left the inside of this sister's body, and now he is around.